Hello friends, welcome back to my maths world. Today we are going to learn derivation of very basic algebra formula. That is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's understand how a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will check its derivation through vertical method. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Now we will write these in vertical form. First we will multiply a into a. We know that when we multiply a into a, it becomes a square because the power of these two terms is added and it becomes a square. So a into a becomes a square. Next we will multiply a with b. As a and b both carries plus sign, so multiplying plus a with plus b, it will become plus ab. So plus a into plus b becomes plus ab. Now we will multiply b with a and b. First we will multiply b with a, so it will become plus ab. Now we will multiply plus b with plus b. It will become plus b square. Now we will add together these terms. As there is nothing under a square, so we will write a square as it is. ab plus ab will become plus 2ab. As the coefficient of these two terms, that is 1, will be added to become it 2ab. We will write b square as there is nothing with b square. So finally we derive the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In next video we will derive this formula through horizontal method. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.